Hi everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a 4-piston automatic filling system. It's doing a small volume film. It's made by Perry Industries out in Hicksville, Long Island. We've rebuilt the unit and we've added a touch-sensitive control system to it. And it's a relatively simple control system. I'll show you right here, right now. It has a programmable control system. The system is designed to use 2 photo eyes, which see the bottles and count 4 bottles as they enter the filling zone, and then count the 4 bottles after the fill is made, returning on the way out. It has a programmable control system, power supplies, controls for the eyes, and there's a small simple program written for it as well. The eyes, or the indexing cylinders, are pneumatically operated, and it's running on about 25 psi right now is all we need. Since we're only running those 2 cylinders, not much air is required. There's a control here for you regulating your pressure. The 2 eyes are contained in a watertight box in here, so if there's any spillage, there won't be any problem with that. And to protect those solenoids as well. The unit is driven by a stepper motor. The stepper motor, as part of the program, makes 1 cycle for each time. Inside the unit there is a proximity sensor, and there is a home position. That's regulated by the reset button that you'll see up on the screen. So if you stop a cycle at any time, you want to reset it, bring it back to its home starting position. It has a stop, start, and a jog. And of course you'll see there's also a pump speed control. You can hit here, and we're set on 3 right now, which is relatively slow. You can fill a little bit faster rate if you want. There's a fill delay, which regulates time between the fill cycles when you bring the next group of bottles in, as most delays do. And there's a fill eye delay, which really won't be needed, but just in case, one of those things. The turntable and conveyor are driven by independent DC controls. Right here, they are both variable speed. And we're going to show you right now, setting up to run a few cycles. So once you get an ample supply of bottles, you hit your start cycle, and now it's on automatic function. Now it's going to feed 4 bottles in, and you watch the eye, you'll see the red light blink up here. It's going to count 4 on the way out. Now until that happens, it will not release the next group of bottles, start them in, and feed again. I'm going to stop it right at this point. It will finish the cycle before it stops, so I'm going to clear these couple of bottles out of the way. So we have room for these 4. And it's very simple and easy to operate. If I come around the side here, I'll show you. Now when you need to adjust your weights in the piston, and a couple other features in here, we've added these on both sides of the infeed and discharge. This is a one-way 3/16 stainless steel valve. Has a half-pound cracking pressure, so it'll allow material to back in either way. Now if you have to adjust your fill weights, you'll see a knurled piece right here on the shaft, which is a double cup seal. Controls the pressure against a double cup seal inside the cylinders. Turn this backwards, you'll feel it loosen up right away. Loosen this nut on the bottom, and then you can reach under here and turn this knurled knob to adjust your fill weight. Then tighten this back up, and you're ready to go. You can change, and of course it's experimentation. You have to turn each one a little bit till you get the correct weights that you're looking for. The unit pretty much finished, ready to ship. It's designed to run almost without an operator, since of course it would have to have a discharge conveyor removing filled product. But you'll see that runs pretty much all day like this. And until those 2 bottles pass, it will not start another cycle. And because that last bottle has not passed, another cycle is not starting. Since I've hit the stop button, it won't restart until you hit the start again. And of course, if you stopped in between cycle, you'd have to hit the reset button again before you start again. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us today.